Every Christmas Eve, Santa faces an impossible task, visiting every child on Earth who celebrates Christmas in a single night. So how can we help him plan the best route? In this video, we'll explore the math behind Santa's challenge and understand why finding his perfect path is so hard. Calm pace, no jargon. Let's begin. Santa needs to visit every city exactly once and return home to the North Pole, taking the shortest possible route. That's the heart of the Travelling Salesman Problem, or TSP, a puzzle famous for how quickly it gets complicated. The Travelling Salesman Problem asks, given a set of cities and the distances between them, what's the shortest round trip that visits each city once and returns home? It sounds simple, but even for Santa, this tiny question turns into a huge computational challenge. Of course, Santa really delivers at night, chasing darkness as the Earth spins. That's a fun problem for a different time. Right now, we'll ignore all that and focus just on the travel path itself. This is what's called a brute force approach. If Santa wrote a program like this, it would generate every possible path, measure the total distance of each, and keep the shortest one. It's an exact solution to the traveling salesman problem, but it comes at a huge cost. Even for Santa, this approach quickly becomes impossible to run. The number of routes grows explosively. For 10 cities, there are about 180,000 possibilities. For 20 cities, 60 quintillion. Even if Santa's fastest computer checked a million routes every second, it would still take longer than the universe has existed to finish. So a brute force search just isn't practical. To make finding the shortest path practical, Santa needs a shortcut, a heuristic. That means using a clever rule of thumb instead of testing every possible path. Next time, we'll build one of those shortcuts ourselves, the nearest neighbor algorithm. So far, we've learned that Santa's route problem is a classic traveling salesman problem, or TSP. Brute force solutions give exact answers but explode in complexity as the number of cities increases. In the next video, we'll build Santa's first heuristic route finder in Next.js. If this kind of direct, autism-friendly concept explainer helps you learn, subscribing is a great way to find your way back here. Thank you for watching, and let's keep learning and growing together.